Thermostar has a panel featuring 4 switches. The one on the bottom left turns the appliance on and off. The switch on the bottom right activates the boiler to heat the water. It takes around 3 to 4 minutes to heat up to the operating temperature. When the display shows 150 degrees or more, the steam indicator light turns green. That means the steam is ready and the appliance can be used. Your thermostar continues to heat up during operation thanks to the 2-chamber system, so you can steam continuously without stopping to reheat. The signal on the right indicates that there is not enough water in the tank. The tank has a capacity of 2 litres. When the water indicator light turns red, an alarm sounds. The heating process is then automatically stopped. You can add water to your thermostar without turning off the appliance or waiting for it to cool down. To do this, carefully remove the cap, use the funnel provided to fill with tap water before carefully closing the appliance. Never pour liquids other than water into the tank. Press the steam boiler switch again to register the water supply and to activate the heating element once more. The 2 arrow keys on the right and left of the display allow you to change the digital display. In normal operation, you can switch between temperature, pressure, and the hour meter readings.